Gold, silver, and crude oil all stayed bullish and beautifully achieved the target as we have discussed yesterday. I hope you all profited there. While net gas is traded bearish, it has now gone close towards $2 levels here. So, what to expect from gold, silver, oil, and gas today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators in the same sequence. If you are new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. The next update will be released before the US session. Watch that as well. And friends, do like, share, and comment. Your every action matters to me a lot. And if you've not joined the channel memberships, do join the channel memberships. Now let's have a look at the hourly charts on gold. Gold on the hourly chart, see, it is delivering lower highs. I have to wait for it to break the preceding highs. One important observation here is, see, the bullish candles are stronger while the retracement candles are trading with moderate bearish bias here. Does it suggest that it is retracing and not willing to go down with the same velocity with which it has seen the rise? Also, moving averages crossing over here. This is a sign of bullishness here. Now 2028, 2030, which was the support, is again going to be the support for the day. We have to wait for it to break below these levels. Stochastic has dropped. MACD trying to converge. Crossover, it is not yet crossed over though. RSI is trading with minor bearish bias. Similar observation on the 2 hour charts. Only observation which I would like to share here is it has to break past the highs here. Thus, only and only if 2040-42 zone is breached now, then you can consider that as bullish. In fact, I will recommend you to buy 2038 itself. The stochastic has dropped. MACD is in green, trying to converge. RSI is also trying to trade with slight bearish bias. And on the 3 hour, now on the 3 hour charts, look at the support it has created. That is why 2022 was important. I have shared many in both the updates I have shared. Look at the support it is creating. There is a reversal sign as well. With that as support, we have seen this rise here. Now, for the day, you can find out 20, 50, 100 period moving average on the 3 hour charts are situated at 2032 and the median of the Bollinger Bands at 2030. This is definitely going to be a greater support zone, and it has always been a support as we have seen in last couple of weeks. Stochastic looking down here. MACD has crossed over at bottom, trying to trade with little divergence, trying to trade bullish. RSI flat. And on the 4 hour chart, similar observation here. See, these are the retracement candles. After this bullish candle, we are seeing it retracing, and specifically this candle and the next candle are going to be of prime importance. There is a possibility that it could try to move towards 2030, 2028 zone. Now, today only bearishness is if you see gold staying below 2024 level, below which we could trade this as a bearish reversal. Now look at a stochastic near to overbought. MACD just crossing over here, trying to trade with divergence, only couple of candles away. It still has a potential for it to rise. RSI flat. Coming to daily, if you look at daily charts here, see, week started here with the resistance at 2040-42. Since then, since last three candles, we have just seen gold delivering lower highs. Thus, it is important for it to break beyond 2040-42 as soon as, or whenever you see gold breaking beyond 2040-42 levels. Stay bullish. We will look forward to 2050, 2060 levels as the next targets. Yes, if you look at the daily charts, it is staying in the zone and it has to break beyond 2060-65. Next is, see, it is beautifully respecting the channel so far. None of the candles closed below this channel. This is also a great observation because, see, it as long as gold respects this channel, possibility for a recovery exists strong. The stochastic has dropped. MACD is in green. See, it is converged, but it is not yet crossed over, and RSI is staying flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy gold at 2038 levels, but just be cautious of this complete zone between 2038 2042. If you see gold is staying beyond this zone, that is 2042 levels, just stay bullish. We will look forward to 2048 2050 as the first targets, and then 2054-55 as the next. Beyond that, 2060-65, my favorite and the strongest resistance will come into picture. On the downside, a selling entry can be taken at 2032, but then be cautious of 2028, 2030 levels, first support levels. And if it draws below 2028, you can look forward to 2024. The next support, any point of time, gold is staying below 2018, 2020 is a sign of bearishness. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. But before that, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my 29th mentorship batch. Register yourself now. It starts in a couple of weeks. Do not miss this opportunity. Also, you can be part of my Signals channel on Telegram. For details on both, you can write an email to me or you can ping me on Telegram. Also, do join the free Telegram channel for live updates of the markets or visit my platform forexfunda.com for market related data, be it the economic calendar, the live chart of the community, and also you can schedule a call with me there itself. With that, now look at silver. See, silver right now is staying within the box again on the early charts. It is waiting for a breakout, but certainly one point to note here at 2020, 22, 20, 22, 25 or 2230 levels are a great support levels for silver so far. Any break below 2220 is a sign of a bearish breakout. Be watchful of this. On the upside, 2250 levels are proving out to be a resistance here. Stochastic is looking down. MACD is trying to converge. It has not yet crossed over. I'll wait for a crossover here for confirmation of bearishness. RSI looking downwards. Coming to 2 hour, likewise on the 2 hour charts, consolidation going on. See, it has got its resistance intact here and it has erased all the gains from the rise here. Thus, it has come back to the support levels again. In fact, even if you see silver trading below 2225, you can sell here. When you see the higher price below 2225, we can initiate a selling entry, but then with caution. What has happened here is it has converged towards the 20, getting the resistance. Prices are reversing, so we have to wait for it to break beyond the 20 period moving average now, which is right now sitting at around 2245. So I'll wait. 2225, 2245 is the zone you should be cautious of. The stochastic has dropped. MACD is in green, trying to converge and crossover. See, it has seen a little retracement, but it has a potential for it to rise more. RSI dropping and showing bearishness. Coming to 3 hour, similar observation here on the 3 hour charts as well. Symmetrical and sideways movement. We have to be watchful within the zone. Stochastic dropping. MACD is divergent and bullish, trying to trade with a little retracement. See, it has formed a double bottom and it appears that it could rise more. RSI has dropped. Coming to 4 hours, likewise on the 4 hour chart, see, wait for this candle where it closes. Now see, it has erased the gains, and where the next candle starts, possibility of a reversal from current levels exists, where prices might try to, because what it is trying to do, it is trying to form a stronger base here. With that as base, once it starts to rise, see, it will try to form the symmetrical movement and may start to rise. Be watchful of this. Stochastic is looking down. MACD is on the verge of a crossover. It did not cross over yet. RSI looking downwards. Coming to the daily. Now look at the daily chart. See, higher lows here, higher highs. This is what I am looking at. Look at last three candles. Beautifully, higher lows are respected and a reversal from the current levels can also be expected. Yes, if the price stays above 2245, we can initiate a buying entry here and expect it to rise more. Possibility for it to trade towards 2250, 2260 and just strong. And 2250-60 is definitely a greater resistance zone. Thus, I will recommend you to buy silver at 2245 and sell at 2225. If you are buying at 2245, be cautious of 2260 as the first resistance, and then 2275-80 here, 20 period moving average and the median of the Bollinger Bands are going to be the next resistance levels. On the downside, a selling entry at 2225 can be taken, below which you can expect it to move towards 2210 and $22 levels as the first support. In fact, 2190, 2210 is a great support zone for silver here. Be watchful of this. Take your positions accordingly. Any drop below 2190 is a sign of bearishness. Trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at crude oil. Crude oil on the early charts staying bullish here in this bullish channel after this good rise from 71.4 levels, and you can find out it is getting resistance here at 73.8, 74 zone. I have mentioned very clearly, very categorically yesterday itself that this is going to be the zone where it is going to find its resistance. And why this could be the resistance? See the consolidation here. Now for the day again, beyond 73.8, when the lower prices are above 73.8, you can initiate a buying entry, but then we have to wait for it to break beyond 74.2 and 74.5. These two levels are going to play a prime role in deciding the future of crude oil. Look at the moving averages crossing over here, signs of bullishness. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is in green and it is trying to see, it has seen a good rise, it is trying to cross over. This could lead to a break on the downside. And on the downside, support levels, if you look at 73, very, very good supports. This complete zone between 73 and 72.5 is going to play an important role again. RSI flat. Coming to 2 hour chart. Similar observation here on the 2 hour charts as well. See, it is a bit accelerated here. After consolidating or staying sideways, it is accelerated. Thus, need to wait for it to give a breakout. possibility for it to break on the upside exists. Only thing is, if it stays above 74.5. But also one must note what it has done on the 3-hour charts. It is getting the resistance from the 50 period moving average, and in general, whenever there was a divergence, it tried to converge and it could reverse as well, because this 20 and 50 period moving average is a greater resistance zone for crude oil here. Stochastic flat, MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit. RSI looking downwards, coming to 3 hour. Now look at 3 hour charts here, see greater resistance on the upside. And if you just connect, see 73 should be the level which should confirm that it is trying to trade bearish, and specifically this complete zone between 73 and 72.5 is going to be the level where we can find out whether what oil is going to do. Any drop below 72.5 is a sign of bearishness. Stochastic flat, MACD divergent and bullish. RSI is also rising. Coming to 4 hour chart, we can see oil taking the support here. We will wait for the next candle. It is just consolidating its position further, and certainly it is showing signs of bullishness staying in this channel. But the bottom of the channel again at 73, 72.5 zone, very strong support just here. The stochastic looking down. MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is flat. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, we can see the 20 and 50 period crossover here, 74.5. Thus is a very important or critical resistance zone. And once it stays above 74.5, that is the point we can confirm that it is trying to rise further. See what has happened in oil: consolidation, breakout, reversal, support with the higher lows. That is what is also important. See, it has respected this channel so far. It tried to break but failed to close below these levels. That is a important observation. Also, one must note, after a reversal sign, couple of bullish candles, but see both the candles having long tails and a wick here. Now today's candle possibly will be the one with a flat top and a bigger body. That is my expectation, but we have to wait, because see, once it breaks below the lows of yesterday, it is going to be treated as a reversal, and then it will continue the trend what it is seen. Though the expectation here is to deliver a greener candle, however we have to be watchful. A flat opening in the next candle and a rise above 73.8 is a confirmation of a bullish momentum. Stochastic rising from the oversold. MACD is trading bearish. It can converge, but right now not showing much signs of it. RSI rising. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 73.8 and sell at 73.4 levels itself. When you see the lower price, a higher price below 73.4, you can sell. But then 73.2, 73, 72.8, and then 72.5. So why I am suggesting of such nearby support levels? Because there is a greater resistance zone or greater support zone existent in between 72.5 and 73, and I do not want you to lose here. Thus you have to keep trailing with the 20 cents trailing stop loss. On the upside, yes, you can buy here at 73.8. Remember 74.2 and 74.5, it needs to break, and after 74.5 we will look forward to 75.2, 75.5 as the next resistance zone. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at natural gas. Yes, if you're not joined the channel mentorship batch yet, do join the 29th mentorship batch. Equip yourself with the learnings, and if you're not joined the signals channel, do be a part of the VIP signals channel on Telegram. Reach out to me for more details. Coming to the daily charts, before we come to the daily charts, let's have a look at the early chart. Nat gas yesterday has breached the critical support level, the critical psychological levels of $2. And since then it is trying to recover. We have mentioned yesterday, any break below 2.0604 zone should lead to the level below $2 levels. Now it is trying to retrace, however it is yet not showing any signs of a reversal. Now only confirmation of reversal today is if it trades below 2.04, 2.06 zone. Also, if you notice, gas is trading in this channel here. Where are the highs here? As long as as long as gas stays below 2.1, we should not be treating this as a reversal. Stochastic overbought, MACD trying to converge, it is not yet crossed over. RSI coming out of the oversold levels. Coming to 2-hour charts, if you look at the 2-hour chart, there is a slight reversal sign. With that is reversal, but look at the bullishness getting diminished. The prices are divergent from the 20 period moving average, sitting at around 2.04. And this makes this complete zone between 2.04 2.06 as a greater resistance. Stochastic rising, MACD is in red trying to converge, RSI is flat, it has just seen a little rise from the bottom. And on the 3 hour charts, if you look at, see the candle has started after higher lows, and this candle may try to take it further highs, but it has to break beyond 2.0304 levels in order to confirm further rise towards 2.06. Stochastic oversold trying to recover, MACD is in red, RSI is flat. Coming to 4 hour, likewise on the 4 hour charts, reversal sign, and then this first bullish candle. I will expect a second bullish candle, which may take the prices towards 2.0406 zone, which is definitely a greater resistance zone. Any point of time, if gas stays above 2.1, that should be the confirmation of reversal, else it is still trading bearish here. We have to be watchful. The stochastic again oversold, MACD is bearish, and RSI is comfortable at the bottom levels. Coming to the daily, now look at daily charts. See, gas has breached the psychological level at $2. It appears there is further bearishness here, but it has to now stay below $2 levels, below which one can look forward to 1.98 as the first support, and breaking below 1.98 is where the bears are waiting for net gas. Thus, considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 2.02 levels. When the lower prices are above 2.02, you can buy, expect 2.04, 2.06 as a greater resistance, and consider that as an achievable level also. If it stays above 2.02, we can look forward to this zone. And beyond 2.06, as long as 2.1 is not taken on the upside, do not trade this for a reversal. On the downside, you can sell here at $2 levels. When the higher prices are below 2 point or $2 levels, you can sell and expect it to move towards 1.98, the first and stronger support. Below 1.98, it could accelerate the drop towards 1.95 and further lows. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series, Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. Do join the channel membership. Do join the free Telegram channel to get the live market updates, and visit the platform forexfunda.com, where you get the live updates, and you can also schedule a call with me. Thank you very much. See you again before the US session. Thank you.